Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. For today's video I will be doing a makeup collection video, so if you want to see what my makeup collection looks like, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so let's start with this first drawer. So here I put all my primer and concealer. So we have like drugstore primer, and we also have some high-end primer. I have Fenty. This is the Touch and Soul Dr. Brandt Cover FX. This is, I believe, from ColourPop. Maybelline, The Ordinary, and another Maybelline, and Cover FX. And yeah, so these are just some of my concealer. I already throw like 4 or 5 concealer because those were like expired concealers and I don't want to use them. But these are just like the concealer. I have the Too Faced Tarte. I have the Kat Von D Fenty Beauty KKW. This is new one from L'Oreal, and LA Pro, NYX Wet n Wild, Anastasia concealer, and yeah, some Wet n Wilds and Makeup Revolution. That's in the first drawer. And here in the second drawer, it's not really okay organized, but this is where I put my highlighter. I have here the Glow Kit from Anastasia. I have here the Babe in Paradise. I used that yesterday and today. And then I have here my liquid highlighter from Cover FX, Wet n Wild, Tarte, and L'Oreal. I have 2 Wet n Wild what is this highlighter, the KKW Beauty highlighter, the Pretty Vulgar highlighter. I have some Dose of Colors. This is in a collaboration with Desi X Katie, and also this one is Anastasia, and also collaboration with Amrizi. This is Bomb. And Fenty Beauty highlighter. I also got a highlighter from Kylie Cosmetics. This is the loose highlighter. Essence highlighter right there, and then ColourPop highlighter. Also have highlighter from Milani. I haven't used this. And let's see, Master Chrome highlighter and Pretty Vulgar highlighter. So that's that. And then in the third drawer, I transferred the foundation. It used to be in here, but I kind of like transfer them because I don't want them to be like laying down like this. So anyway, this is all my foundation. I literally just throw like 3 foundation, I believe. So yeah, okay. I have here the ColourPop. I'm using it right now. I mix it with this Revolution, Makeup Revolution. And then I have a LA Girl Pro Coverage. You might think, why is that white? This is just for me to mix it with my darker shades. So that's that. And another LA Girl Truly Matte Foundation. I have Tarte. This is the CoverGirl BB Cream. And oh my god, this is really good as well. The Physicians Formula, the Healthy Foundation. And my OG Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. Another LA Girl foundation. This is the Too Faced, I believe. Yep, the Born This Way foundation. Hold on. Kat Von D foundation. L'Oreal, the 24-hour Infallible Fresh Wear. The Ordinary foundation. This is the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink Foundation, the 24-hour, I believe. This is the ColourPop foundation. I also have here the Wet n Wild, another Maybelline Matte, no, Fit Me foundation. Hold on. I have here the Fenty foundation, and I think, yeah, because I throw 3 foundation away. And then here, let me just try to open this. Okay. I have the Fenty Beauty. Oh my god guys, this is bomb. This is the translucent powder. I also have the powder foundation from Maybelline as well. This is the Beauty Bakery. Yep, translucent powder. Queen Cosmetics, that's the one I'm using right now as well. I have the Nichido Kat Von D translucent powder, the shade Golden. I have a pressed powder here as well from Fit Me, Maybelline Fit Me, and also translucent powder from Maybelline, and also my OG Laura Mercier. Oh, this is just a box. This is the ColourPop press powder in shade medium. My OG as well here is Rimmel Stay Matte. As you can see, I try to put a tape on it. So that's that. Okay, in this side I put all my bronzer and blushes. So here, this is, I believe, the yeah, the blushes from Anastasia. I have the blush trio. Let's start with the Cocktail Party. This is the Cocktail Party right there. I have the Pink Passion and Peachy Love. I really like this. And then this one right here is the bronzer. Yep, the shade Tawney. Focus right there. And then I have here the Wet n Wild bronzer. This is yeah, this is new. The Wet n Wild bronzer, butter bronzer, of course, from Physicians Formula. And Wet n Wild, of course, the OG Mellow Wine blush. Essence bronzing, sun matte bronzing powder. I have the Wet n Wild contour right there, and Maybelline City bronzer. I think, yeah, I believe this is new. And then I have here like my drugstore blush from local Philippines, Fashion 21, Ever Belena. My OG as well. I have Fit Me blush. I have two Fit Me blush. And then I have here, what is this? Oh, Eyeshadow blush as well. It's good. And I believe this is bronzer from ColourPop right there. This, yeah, I believe that's the bronzer. This is the Laura, I can't remember, Laura Giller, I don't know, but this is the Baked blush, and it has glitters on it. This, I'm using it right now. And then this is the Too Faced bronzer, KKW. I believe, what is this? So it's the blush, and this is from the KKW in the shade Luxe. And then I have here the Bella blush. This is from Juvia's Place, I believe, right there. It's so pretty. And the Hoola bronzer, of course, ColourPop bronzer. And then this one is, I got it from, forgot, but this is the, what is this? Blush. I feel like this is the blush with a bronzer. Yeah, I need to throw that away because it's old. And I have here the Master Bronze bronze and highlight palette. And then I have my Kat Von D contour palette right here. I also have my Morphe, what is this? Oh, this is the 8W blush palette. Let me show it to you guys. That's how it looks like. And I have here the Profusion contour palette, because I'm gonna do like a another video for like half and half, something like that. So that's that. Moving on with this drawer, I put some of my lashes here because I don't have room for my lashes. So here is like my eye palette, like eyeshadow palette, Soft Glam from Anastasia, the Kylie Jenner Naughty palette. This is the Dose of Colors palette. This is the Ace Beauty palette, Kylie Jenner eyeshadow palette, Bretman Rock palette from collaboration with ColourPop, Wet n Wild palette, and this is the it's May Ray Ray palette, BH with the BH Cosmetic, collaboration with BH Cosmetic. Okay, I can't really talk, but this is that. It comes with like a contour or like highlighting powder, and it has eyeshadow. Okay, anyway, I have here the lashes from AOA right there. I also have here the, what is this? Okay, the Lemonade Craze palette. And I also have here the KKW palette right there. Yep, right there. Right there. And this is the Yes Please, I believe, from ColourPop right there. And Alamar Cosmetics palette. And then this is the Nubian by Juvia's palette. Okay, I also just literally bought this palette like a couple days ago. This is from Profusion right there. I have the Jacqueline over there as well. So I think that's all my eyeshadow palette, because most of the eyeshadow palette I have is I donated and I give it to my friends, so I can just like get rid half of it, because I literally have so much eyeshadow palette I don't even need. Okay guys, moving on. So here I have this like little, what is this, makeup organizer. Yeah, okay, so let's start with this one right here. I have oil from, this is the Ordinary. I have Fenty lipstick, 2 Fenty lipstick, the red one and this brown shade. I have my Anastasia Deep Brow Pretty Vulgar gel eyeliner, and I have my lashes, mascara over here, Too Faced, Tarte, and Maybelline, and this is from It Cosmetics right there. And then right here, this is the KKW Beauty lip gloss, and I also have this is I have to put this in my bag from work. Anyway, I have here the Velvet Airy Ink Velvet from Peri Para, and this one as well. And I have the ColourPop lipstick, yeah, right there. And I also have another lip gloss from Dose of Colors, 2 lip gloss from Queen Cosmetics right there. And Wet n Wild, this is the Give Me Mocha. This is like my favorite shade as well. And here, okay, here is my Kylie Cosmetics lipstick. Like, I have so much liquid lipstick from Kylie Cosmetics, and I believe I also gave some of the liquid lipstick from Kylie to my sister. And this is my favorite. This is the one I'm wearing right now. This is from the Queen Cosmetics, and the shade, I believe it's 06. Yeah. Okay, I also have, I put here my local products from Philippines. I have the Vice Cosmetics liquid lipstick. This is the Everbelena lipstick, 2 liquid lipstick, and this is some of just my tint, the Everbelena tint, Fashion 21, and also from BLK Cosmetics. And then here is just like my single eyeshadows from MAC right there. And then here is my lashes. So I have here the Duo lash adhesive, and I just literally put my lashes right here. This is from AOA. I also have here the Kiss Look So Natural lashes right there. And then last drawer in here is I put my, I put like lip liner, eyeliner. I even put to set my eyebrows. This is from Maybelline, and I also have here from e.l.f. I also have my eyebrow pencil here from Anastasia. Let's see what else. Oh, I have here my Wonder mascara because I don't have space, and yeah, just pretty much everything. And I have here the BYS brow eye pencil from local drugstore, Wet n Wild, but I always use these Anastasia and then ColourPop right there. Those are like my main ones. I have Nichido, MAC, Kylie lip liner. What else? KKW Beauty eyeliner. Okay. And also have this one right here. Okay, in my table, that was just like the extended table. So in here, I have my Nivea Full Shave Balm. I use this like a moisturizer. I also have the Lancome, and this is the Bum Bum cream. I also have, I put here my Eco Gel just in case I have to lay or like do my baby hair right there. I also have here my, of course, Mario Badescu Morphe continuous setting spray, and this is like the extra that I got from Ulta. I have e.l.f. I also have over there the Cover FX. This is the ColourPop All Star setting spray. Nichido Wet n Wild and Elf. And here I put also my liquid lipstick since I don't have space over there. I just put it right here. So this is like the main ones. These are like the nudes. This is, I believe, Amazonian, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, Amazonian, Fighter, Driver, and Self-Starter. Right there. And then here I have the lipstick from KKW Beauty. Right there. And I have here the lip gloss from Dose of Colors. I have here, oh, this is the Aftermath from Dose of Colors as well. And this is in the shade My Main liquid lipstick. I have MAC that I think I'm just gonna throw this away because this is like 2 years old. Yeah, I need to throw this away. And this is the tint from Peri Pear. This is the water tint. Okay, so I'm still, like I said, I'm still in the middle of cleaning half of my brushes, but this is just like some of like my makeup brushes right there. And I have here like my accessories, like if I comb my hair, and of course to tie my hair. This is so I can mix my foundation right there. Just some of my makeup brushes, and this is like for the eyes. And here is my whatchamacallit, sponges and beauty blender, and some, yeah, I have like the Morphe, Juno and Co Real Techniques. I have here from L'Oreal, I think. And yeah, that's really about it. And this is from the Fenty Beauty. Okay guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you like this makeup collection. So yeah, I just tried to give some of the makeup for my friends and my sister because I really don't think I need all of them. But yeah, I hope you like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys soon.